Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Wait,
Get shit on, brother.
I just need to go to the music here. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'll put music on. Okay. Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading everyone. My name is Future Orbits and welcome to some live session here with me on Twitch. We just went on VIP before, and we took a buy here from 24, and we are just hit TB1, so really nice. Let's see if we can do the same here on the Twitch stream. So as I said to my VIP stream, I'm expecting that if we stay above 30, we're gonna go to 50. If we stay below 30, we're gonna go down to 0, so 4,400. So pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. We are coming down for a little bit more liquidity here. And as you can see here, now the 50% and the 0.618% of the daily fair value gap has been filled. If you look here, you can see here, oh, here, we take from here to here, you can see here, this was the 0.6180 level right there, and that got filled, and we almost came down and filled the entire fair value gap. We only needed this little amount here, so pretty good, pretty nice. We went down 1, 2, 3 times, and every time we came up above and we closed above the EMA. So the 4-hour flip is right there. We got enough liquidity to drive up, so if you can stay above 30, we should be good to go to 4,500. So if you were on the live stream yesterday on Twitch, I told you guys that we will probably see price come up to 4,450 and maybe 60, and it actually came all the way up to 68. So I hope you guys took some profit yesterday from the Twitch stream. We got a lot of profit, but then if you guys kept opening, you know, having your open positions, then you came all the way up to 68 and 66. So you should have gotten a lot of profit yesterday. Now the idea here would be to close above here and then have a good buy up towards the 50 level here. So stop loss would be below here, and then we would take it up here. So let's see how that goes. But first we need to see here how the 15 is going to close. If the 15 is going to close above range here, that means we can buy. If it closes below, we cannot buy. And currently we don't have a fair value gap, and also we are not closing above the EMA, so we can still respect this zone. So we gotta wait a little bit, guys. It's like yesterday, very choppy, very, very unpredictable. It's a lot of volatility, right? So you gotta wait. Let's have a look here. Fairy King, hey man, what's up? Hey Senok, hey, another one. You bet. Got a good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, Fim. Hey, what's it going? How's it going? Hey mate, hey Bastal. TLS Panda, you got a new account. What was your previous account? Lost today 200 USD. Why? How? No, why? Merdin. Power here. Hello M7. Good to see you, man. Can be a good day. Yeah, if we close above 30, we can take buys up to 4,500 and to all-time high, and we should be there on Friday. If we don't close above 4,430, then we are probably going to come down to 4,400. I still have my line here at 4,402, and then I have my major support here at 4,378, and then I have my demand zone at 4,360, and my ultimate demand zone down here at 4,329 to 4,337. So yeah, but we could still go far down if we don't respect it, but for now it's looking good. Looking good. What up? Doing good? Hey Kimmy, good to see you. How's everyone doing today? Let's go. Leon, what's up? Hi, how you doing? Nice to see you on YouTube. Stop. Hey, wee. Okay, let's go. So we're waiting for this 5 minutes to close bullish above here and leave a fair value gap, so we have something that we can take. This hourly looks really good though. I was talking to the VIP that we are actually creating some good range here, closing above that range. So this 1 hour here was a consolidation on the barcoding here, and now you're pushing up. So really nice to see. We just need a closure above, and then we can take the buy. Just slowly waiting here. Gotta get out of this one here. Boom, there we go. I'm gonna trail my stop loss on this one. So if you're in the VIP, guys, I want you to trail your stop loss now to just above entry for risk-free trade. So if you are in at 24, please move your stop loss to 25. If you're in at 26, then move your stop loss to 25. Then if you're in at 25, move your stop loss 26. Okay, just for VIP. All right. Let's see. Now we came up to 35, rejected again. Very interesting. Very interesting. Down 29 again. But pushing up towards 31. Okay, this is nice. Now we're creating structure. Look at that. Beautiful. Can we close above here now? Can we close above here? 4 hours about to flip. We need to close above this. Nope, that's not how to do it. Let's see. A lot of consolidation, guys. A lot of choppiness. Holy, see that? What have I missed? Nothing, Ron. We just started the live stream. I was late today. Because New York, the VIP session went a little bit late. Doing fine. Good profit. 4,435. A lot of equal highs there. Going to shoot through. Hopefully. Very risky now. What is very risky, Martin? We're not in trades, man. Nothing is risky when you're not in a trade. I'm just patiently waiting here, guys. I'm just patiently waiting here. Let's see. So if the 5-minute closes above here, then we can look for the buys. If the fifth, that means 15 also will close above here. But if it keeps rejecting this EMA and comes down and it closes below here, then it's not good. Need to sort this out. Oh my god. Wow. I was looking at my currency pairs and indices and commodities and everything, doing the VP station, and then I just fucked it up. Now it's all over the place. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, Ethereum, U, EU, G, D, E, F, G, GBD, GP, GBC, GBC, GER, GER, GBP, USD, GE,
Get shit on, brother.
NAS, ST, US, WX, WX, yeah. Cool. Thank you for the follow, lad. Nice to see you on live stream. Heels Panda, nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Will it retest the order block? Which one of them? You mean this one? I think we retested many times. 1, 2, 3 times. What up, Vlad? Vlad, I'm just waiting to see if I can take the buy. You just need a 5-minute closure above here. Look at that. Look at that 15. Beautiful. Guys, if the 5-minute closes above here, I'm gonna take a buy, okay? Okay, I just need a 5-minute closure above here. If it doesn't close above, I'm not gonna take the buy, okay? Doesn't look like it wants to close above. Nope. 3-minute order block, you mean this one? Yeah, we just retested it. Nope. Nothing. Nothing at the moment. 15 just rejected one more time. And Owl is still playing in this range. Guys, it's exactly like yesterday. Remember this? Remember when we were taking this? We were looking at this and then we took this up. Same thing is happening again. Still believe this can go up because you're doing exactly the same thing. You're ranging in the hourly. And the 15-minute and 5-minute is creating structure. It's all about, like, is this 15 gonna flip here or is it gonna go up? Right? 15 just closed bearish, but then again, this next 15 could just flip it. We need to wait for the owlet closure now. Sick. Okay, push there. Nice. I need that closure above 30. If I don't get that closure above 30, I cannot buy. I'm sorry. The 4,430 is the key, yes. Let me say it again. I said it yesterday, but it goes like this, okay? Let's say we are 4,400, okay? We are 4,400, 4,430. From the 4,430, you need to see 4,430 being respected to go to 4,430, okay? And then you need to see 4,430 be respected to go to 4,450. And then you need to see 4,450 to be respected to go to 4,470/80, okay? And then you need that to be respected to go to 4,500. So, if this is not going to be respected, you're going down to 4,300, right? If this is not going to be respected, you're going back to this. If this is going to be respected, you're going up to this. You know what I mean? Like, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. It's goddamn simple. It's so simple. So now we're just waiting for this 3-minute closure. Here. Can close here. That would be awesome. Leaving a fair value gap. Get a fair value gap here. We can buy it once it comes down and retest it. And the order block as well. Like this. Let's see if we get a fair value gap, guys. At 21. This order block has already been retested multiple times in the 3 minute, bro. Okay, guys. People who are in the VIP, take some partial here. Take some partial here. For the people who are in VIP, had a good run. We're talking about 40. Nice. Oh, I thought it was still valid. Why would you think it's still valid if you tested it here? Here, 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 here. Like so many times you tested it. This is done, and this is done. Now we're looking at this. And if this can close bullish with a fair value gap, then it's really, really great. So you got your London low here, and you got your London high here. So probably you're going for the London high. Probably you're going for the London high. Let's see. How to join Telegram? It doesn't work. Right here. And Discord right here. All right. This is what I was talking about, right? That's a shooting candle right there. It's all about these platforms, guys. Are you gonna respect 30 or are you gonna disrespect 30? If you respect 30, you can buy from 30. If you disrespect 30, you can sell from 30. Like, always the same. Okay, guys, wait for this 5 minutes to close. Then you got a fair value gap. Okay, let's see. What's the buy entry, bro? In the fair value gap. There we go. We got a fair value gap here, starting from here. So let's see. Let's see if we can retest that on the next candle. The 3 minute is going to be here. 5 minutes is going to be here. I'm just patiently waiting to see if we can retest it. What time frame do you get your confirmations and enter? Depends. Depends. First, I was looking at the hourly. I see barcodes here. I see the price is just consolidating. So I want the hourly to close above this range. If it closes above this range, you see this is the top candle. If you close above here, you're bullish. If you close below, probably consolidating or bearish. 30 minute, if it can close above here as well. And the best thing would be to leave a fair value gap on the 3 minute or the 5 minute. Currently, you're filling the fair value gap that you were about to create. So that's not good. So still nothing, guys. Nothing. But VIP, you got it all the way up to 39. You took partial here at 36, 37. So pretty good. Pretty nice. Now you closed above, which is nice. Maybe you got a bottom wick right here. You got an order block right there. 3 minute flipping here. Let's see. Got a good support here at 34, 35. But you just filled the entire fair value gap, so you have to stay above this EMA for us to buy it. Fair value gap taking a nap. Yup, fair value gap just completely got annihilated. Ah, man, I'm learning something. Good stuff. That's good, Prophet. I'm happy, man. If you want to learn more, you can either join the VIP, or you can join the academy, or you can join the bootcamp. If you just want free content, just stay here, man. And guys, join the Telegram and join the Discord. I will just check the camera. 2 seconds. Good morning, my neighbor. Hey, fuck you. Hey, fuck you too. Okay, guys, we're waiting for this 5 to close above here. Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, 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 okay. Guys, we got a really good bottom wick here. Got a really good bottom wick here. We got 7 minutes until the hourly candle closure. If the hourly candle closure closes above range, then we simply let sugar for a bottom wick and then we can take the buy. We just have to close above here. All we gotta do, guys, is to close above here, okay? That's all we gotta do. That's all we gotta do, guys. All we gotta do is close above here. Then I will be happy and I will sleep like a little pig. Hey Tony, fuck you. Yes, you know that meme as well. Hey Ezekiel, Ezekiel, fuck you. Hey Tony, Tony, fuck you too. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys. 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. Are you guys ready? Ready. Ready, ready, ready. Here we go. The internet is for porn. Here we go. The internet is for porn. Here we go. Na 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 for porn, porn, porn. All right, let's go. I don't know if you've been watching that video on YouTube for for like World of Warcraft. Was like I played World of Warcraft in my childhood, and it was like a meme back then. I actually have no idea like how much the world has changed with memes. I remember when you were just walking into the classroom and somebody was saying pudding, and then everybody was be laughing their ass off. Somebody just going up to you and say like pudding. Try it, guys. Find somebody in your family or your friends or something. Just go up to them, seriously, look them in the eye and be like pudding. They're gonna laugh. I'm telling you. That was the jokes. That was the memes we had back then. The internet for what? You haven't seen that one? Wait. World of Warcraft. Sure. Yeah, that was the fun we had back then. A little bit outdated, I guess. Love that shit. What? Yep. Who comes up with that stuff? Well, I mean, when the internet was first invented, what do you think men used the internet for? Do you think they used it to calculate like mathematical equations? Do you think they used it to fix, you know, or like stuff, like, you know, fix their car or something like that? No, they're using it to porn. Like, come on, guys, come on, be honest with me. Like, when the internet was first invented, every single man was using it for porn. Like, come on, don't be stupid. All right, here we go, guys. 3 minutes. What did I just watch? A old meme World of Warcraft video about yeah, some men who loves porn. Anyway, just forget about it, Kimmy. Just forget it. It's not relevant. Okay, guys. Here we go. Here we go. If we get a 5-minute closure above here, I'm gonna take the buy, okay? Do, 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 do. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I need the EMA to support my hourly candle. Do not close below it, bitch. Come on. Close above it. Close above. No, no, no. Close above it. Close above it. No, 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 no. Hmm. 4 hours about to flip now. Nah, guys. In 1 minute, we're gonna see if this candle's gonna close above. Yeah. It's not good enough. Still holding the range. Ah, close below. Now we have to wait for this order block. God damn it. Let's see. Gold is being a wash. Yep. Look at that. Gold is having a fat ass. I'm telling you.
Get shit on, brother.
Yo, what up? It's me, Khalifa. I mean, it's me, Rafa. Thank you for the follow. Nice to see you on live stream. Okay. Hey, Huge. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a little buy here. Let me know entry. Stop loss is gonna be below here. Xauusd. Buy now. 4,429. Stop loss is gonna be 23. 22. Stop loss is gonna be 22. About 70 pips. That means we just want 36, 70 pips, and then we want 47, and then of course 4,063. Okay, we take that for now. Okay.
Get shit on, brother.
Hello! Hey, nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're currently in a buy, bro. We just created a higher high. Now we created a higher low. We just tapped into this order block right here. So I'm in a buy now on gold. So let's see here how this goes. We are holding up with the MA here really nicely. We tapped into the order block. So if we can come up and flip this, it will be very, very nice. So let's see here, guys. The stop loss is 70 pips and the TP is 70 pips, 1-to-1. Your TP2 is going to be 47. Your TP3 is going to be 63. Is your hair like that because of crypto? No, my hair's like that because of jeans, man. My dad, he didn't have any hair, so I just, you know, I took the short straw, and yeah, it also happened to me, man. Make the TPS TP. What the fuck is a TPS? You mean the TP, please, because I'm trading futures. Oh, if you're trading futures, for futures. Oh, it's completely different, bro. It is 45. I don't know, man. I don't know what the TP is gonna be for futures. I'm sorry, man. I trade spot. I don't trade futures. In at 30. Nice, Kimmy. Nice. Fair enough. I think I'm losing my hair. I think a lot of men are losing their hair, bro. I think there's like the biggest reasons for men to lose their hair is like stress, is like unhappiness, and it's like genes, right? Do I spell it? Am I spelling this right? Genes? Is that like stress comes from you not having a stable job, or like you putting too much onto your plate, and then you just have too many things to juggle with. It's like, it's just too much, right? Unhappiness, maybe you were not happy in your relationship, maybe you're not happy in your marriage, or maybe you married the wrong one, but now you have to stay because you have kids and you don't want to, you know, make the kids unhappy, so you're staying in an unhappy relationship. It's not healthy, but it's good for the kids because then they have at least a mom and a dad. Or it can be, you know, you gambled, you know, 100k on crypto, and then Bitcoin went down and you sort of lost your shit. And yeah, or it can be genes. Yeah, your dad is just a fucker who gave you the you know, the genes. That's not nice anyway, but you know, it's not his fault. You know, he can't, it's not, you know, it's not his fault, right?
Get shit on, brother.
It's just genes. Nice throw. Yes, thank you, fam. Thank you for putting that there. I think that's a really good nice thing. What do you think about trading silver, bro? What are the moves over there? Silver is really following mostly the way the gold also moves. But as you saw here yesterday, we had pretty much consolidation before gold moved, right? So gold started to move like this, but silver was just staying here, and then it happened afterwards, and now it's starting to go up, and now you see gold starting to go up, right? So it's just,
get shit on, brother.
yeah, overall it's I think silver is a little bit behind gold sometimes, but sometimes a little bit in front. It's very weird because DXY doesn't have to move. You see, now DXY is just consolidating or slightly going down, but like gold is just moving. You know what I mean? Like it's pretty nice. So guys, we just hit TB1. I hope you did well. I hope you got some profit. Okay. Please trail your stop loss to just below, above entry for risk-free trade. There you go. Boom. Risk-free. First trade off the bat. Risk-free. Stop loss at BE. 4030. EB1 hit. So we just got 60 pips, guys. No, 70 pips. Sorry. Wait, 70 plus pips. Yes, here we go. Let's see if we can hold above here. Thank you for the follow, Halvos. Oh, Alphonse, you've been here before, I think. You think you created a new account. Dusan, thank you for the follow. Hate be Tony. Alk, thank you. Lovely. Silver will hit 500, but 2030. Yeah, I'm thinking about 100 first. I would like to buy up to 100, but I'm not gonna buy here, bro. I'm gonna wait for $50 or $58, something like that. Lovely. Isn't it a bit clearer to trade? I watched it a few times, but seemed cleaner with less manipulation. Yeah, but the problem is that you see this. You have your liquidity sweep here, right? then you start to have consolidation. You create a higher high, and then suddenly you go down, right? So I think it's the same, bro. I think it's the same. There will be more manipulation in the future on silver as well. So yeah, guys, we're moving 100 plus pips here. Please take some partial here at 39. Partial here. It's 100 pips, okay? 100 pips. Trade one. Can you believe there are actually some people who thought they should sell here? Like, amateurs, right? No, I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. Let's go, guys! Alright. 1 hour is moving, baby. Let's go. Ass Jack. Let's go.
Get shit on, brother.
Yo, Samisor, thank you for the follow. Nice to live stream. Hope you're doing well. Hey, TN, thank you for the 1 bit. Thank you for the 1 bit, man. TND. I didn't know you could put. Can you put bits? What? I thought I took it off. Oh well. Okay, you can put bits apparently. I thought you can only subscribe. But yeah, let's go to the moon. Let's do it, man. Leon. Nice entry. Thank you, man. So guys, are you risk free? Kimmy, got some profit? Earlier I wasn't sold from there, but got out nice in profits. Went to 4,420. Let's go. Let's go. Have you seen your copy trading, Kimmy? Have you seen copy trading? What do you think about dollar percentage equal? Dollar percentage equal. So money, percentage of that money, what it means? I don't know. What's your equation? What's your x? I need your x, and then I need to know if it's, are we following the Pythagoras? Watching closely. I'm going to register for my copy trading with you guys later on today. Hey, let's go. You can ask Carol and some of the other guys, like how they think copy trading is. You can ask Kimmy as well. Guys, if you are on copy trading, you can tell about how it is.
Get shit on, brother.
See. Hey, Sadix, thank you for the follow. Nice to see you in live stream. Hope you're doing well. Guys, we are running here 100 plus pips here. Almost 150 plus pips. Guys, take some partial here at 47. Oh, you already, sorry, it's TB2. TB2 hit, sorry, TB2 hit. There we go. Boom. Right there. 63 is going to be the next one, and from there you're going to take TB4 at 85, and then TB5 is going to be 4,500. If I want to get in for a second trade, guys, we need to wait for a retracement, right? So we need to wait for this 15-minute closure. We need for the order block and the fair value gap to be created, and then we need a bottom wick, okay? Good. Is this pre-recorded? Iluf, no, this is not pre-recorded. How are you doing, man? Hello, Iluf on YouTube. Iluf XQC. It's not pre-recorded, brother. This guy came in and he was like, is this pre-recorded? Oh, that's funny. I think it's because you feel a little bit lonely over there. I'd almost have no viewers on YouTube, bro. But people on Twitch and on the other social media are chilling. But yeah, if you're over there, man, tell me if you are alone there, or if there is few viewers over there. I have no idea, bro. Sorry. Okay, so now you got your next support here. My copy trading sends up with almost $10 already, man. Thanks, man. You're welcome, man. Welcome. Oh no, I missed this trade. Hey, Debbie. Hope you're doing well, man. Are you Debbie from Shameless? No regrets on copy trading? Let's go, baby. Nah, dude, I actually watched you from 2 angles. Cool. Hey, Xenox, tell me, where's the delay better? Is it on Twitch or is it on YouTube? Tell me. Obviously, with the Sense account, it goes slower, especially if you have less. However, it's so much better than me closing accounts. We earn profits in the copy trading and only been in less than a month. My copy trading account is a big profit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get out of here. Get out of here, guys. Get out of here. Boom. Hold this one. Great. 4. I'm waiting for a retest now. I would like to see this 15 close bullish, and then I would like to see a bottom wick from the EMA and also the support. So the previous breakout was here, guys. So what you will expect is that price comes down and it's gonna retest that breakout as well, right? So what you want is something like that, right? So we're gonna wait for a second trade for price to come down, retest, and then bounce, okay? Delay is better on YouTube. Sorry about that. But on YouTube, I don't have like admins and I don't have like stuff where I can put like, okay, this is the trade and stuff like that. And also the Discord, and I think the Discord and the Telegram doesn't work there. Commands doesn't work there. Damn, nice trade. Close partial at 47. Saga, were you on VIP earlier? Guys, if you were on VIP, we hit 47 as well. That was also your TP free for VIP. I think we hit 49. We hit 50, guys. We hit 50. Jesus. Crazy. So that's 100. From 30 to 49. Almost 300 pips. Oh, sorry. Almost 200 pips. It's, let's say 180 plus pips. Because you took partial here. So 180 plus pips. Let's see. I'm gonna take some of this profit here. Boom. See what happens. You think it will hit 4,500 next days? I think it will hit 4,500 on Friday, bro. When are you doing your next academy? The next bootcamp? If you want to hear about the next bootcamp, please reach out to my team. Otherwise, you can reach out to me directly. But yeah, my team will talk to you about that one. But yeah, Profit Punch, I'm affiliated with different kind of brokers and academies and stuff like that. But the bootcamp is already happening. We have had two batches so far, and we have one batch that is material. And we're gonna have one here in January as well. We're gonna have one in February. I think the last one is gonna be in March or April. I'm not pretty sure. You can still make it, man. But I'm warning you, it's expensive. It's very expensive, and yeah, it should be if you are 100% serious about trading, and if you really want me to guide you through every single thing and teach you everything I know about trading from my 14 years of experience. Okay, guys, we hit 50. Let's go. Can we get 63? Can we get... it sounds like an auction. Guys, can we get 63? Can we 63 over here? 63. We got 50. We got 52. We got 51. We got 51. Can we get a 52? 52.1. 52. 52.1. 52.4. 52.4. We got a 56. 52.6. Oh, we got a 6.6. Okay, can we get a 56.7? 77. We got a 7. 76. 77. Oh, can we get 53? 53. 53. Can we get 1, 2, 3? Can we get... Oh, sold 2. 52. But going 1, 2. No, we got 56.8. 56. Okay, 53. We got 53. Can we get 54? 54. 52. 52.1. 52.3. 52. Okay, going 54. 54. 54. Going once, twice, and sold to 53.9 right there. That girl over there in the white dress. Okay, cool. I need your magic as long as I don't get weird like you. That's great, bro. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Profit punch. Look at this.
It's so big!
Oh my god.
It's so big!
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Wow. Okay, guys. If you want to reach out about the bootcamp, I think... Do we have a link here? Do we have a link here? Bootcamp? No, we don't have a link. Okay. Just reach out to my team. Reach out to my team. Great show. What show? This is just how I am, bro. Hey, all joined late. Yo, RT, how are you doing, man? Can we buy more? No, yes. The 15-minute just closed bullish here, bro. So now what we're waiting for is a bottom wick. So if this 15 closes bullish, we got a fair value gap where we can buy again. If this 15 doesn't close bullish, where we come down and we create something on the 5-minute here. For example, there is a good fair value gap right here. Then what we can do is we can take another buy. So your 5-minute is right here from 43. So what you want to see now is that we are holding the 40 level, and that 43 will become your next support. But the thing is, you got an EMA here, right there at 40. So this acts as your resistance coming down to the support. Now, since you broke through it, now resistance act as support. So that means you would like to see a retest of this low here. And then once you get that retest, then you can buy from that. You cannot just buy randomly, bro. You need to wait for confirmation, right? So your first trade is running 180 plus pips, actually more. And then once you get that retest, we can take the buy, okay? Don't just get in randomly in trades, guys. You gotta stay consistent, okay? FOMO fucked me. Well, what happened, ISD? What happened, guys? Guys, if you are not patient enough to trade, then don't trade, okay? Gotta wait for confirmation. I'm not just gonna buy here, bro. I'm gonna wait for price to come down, retest here. If it doesn't retest here, if we close bullish above, and we already tested the fair value gap, then I'm gonna buy above 50, okay? It's okay, I'm working, so no trades, just listening in. Took a little scalp on sells, 50 pips. Let's go, huge. What was your, oh, the fair value gap, I guess. The fair value gap. FOMO got a fat ass. But Profit Punch, did you reach out to my team? Just tell them Future Orbit sent you and you want to know about the bootcamp. Can you explain confirmation a bit more? Yes, of course. Once you take a trade, you need at least 3 confirmations, okay? It can be a fair value gap. It can be an order block. It can be a bottom or a top wick. It can be a level. It can be a demand zone. It can be a supply zone. It can be a strategy, or like, for example, my strategy, wick fill liquidity, WWFL. It can be, what can it be? It can be liquidity. It can be imbalance. There are many things. There are many things, bro. It all depends on if you can go here. You can say like, okay, I believe that this fair value gap is really good just at this order block, and I believe this is a good one because it's at the demand zone. Then you got 3 confirmations. That means you can take the buy, right? If you hit the supply zone and let's say you got liquidity and also you hit a really good fair value gap, then you got 3 confirmations for a sell, right? I just need 3 confirmations in order for me to sell or buy before I can take a A++ setup, okay? If I don't have 3 confirmations, I'm not gonna take a trade. If I only have 1 confirmation or 2 confirmations, I'm not gonna take a trade, okay? So the reason why we took this trade, I had multiple confirmations, okay? The first confirmation is that, okay, let's remove all this so you can see. Bro, this is for you, okay? The daily fair value gap got retested once more. The London low or the Asia low got taken out right here at 23. Okay, that's 2 confirmations already. The 4 hour is creating wick fill liquidity. Okay, so you are making liquidity, you're making liquidity again, and then you take out that previous liquidity, and that is happening above this order block. So that's 3 confirmations. Okay, next up, you're touching DMA and you're respecting DMA. That's 5 confirmations. The hourly is creating barcoding, so you're creating a very good level here where you are having support at a demand zone. Okay, that's 7 confirmations. 30-minute shows bullish confirmation up to the 30 level, and you're closing above the 30 level, not below it. 15-minute is creating a wedge coming up and following my trend line. That's 9 confirmations. Okay, 5 minutes was creating a level here that got respected again and again and again. That's 10 confirmations. And also now you got the liquidity here. That's 11 confirmations. But we got in here right at the 30 level, 29. So yeah, you got more than 7 confirmations, but you can probably take it up to 11 or 10. So I was pretty sure that it was gonna go up. It was just a matter of time. So now here you got a really good top wake here, and you got some liquidity there. So now I'm waiting for price to come down into this fair value gap. It was very close, actually. It was very, very close. It just almost came down here. So probably some people got in for sells here because they saw this, and then it's flipping again here. Or some people got in for buys because they saw this, right? And then it could flip and come down for one more touch. Now, the question is, are we going to get on top of 50 or are we going to stay below 50? If we're going to get on top of 50, we can take buys from 50. But if we need more liquidity, you should come down and retest the previous breakout, right? That's a lot of confirmations. Yes, it is. That's why it's a good trade. And that's why you saw it just fly up, right? But yeah, I spoke to VIP about this, that when we have a daily fair value gap being tapped, usually it happens 2-3 times, sometimes more, right? But if a daily fair value gap is going to be respected, most likely you're going to use that as a demand zone to go up, right? If it's a buy, or a supply zone for going down if it's a sell, right? And we're simply just waiting for more confirmations into this fair value gap and grabbing some liquidity here, taking out some people's stop losses, right? If price is stop loss hunting now, then you can expect price to come up here, take this out, make people buy, then come down here, make people sell, and then eventually touch here, make people sell, and then you use the 30 level to come up again. So we're just waiting for this, bro. Thank you for this information. You're welcome, lad. You streaming tomorrow? And if not, in your VIP, do you trade every day? It's me, Rafa. I stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sometimes I stream Monday and Friday as well. But tomorrow, I don't think I'm gonna stream. I think I'm gonna take off Friday and just gonna do the VIP. VIP signal. I'm not gonna go live. We don't go live. We go live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on both VIP and Twitch stream. But I will have signals for VIP always, like Monday to Friday, right? Unless it's very volatile and I have nothing. Why you be honest and tell this information for free? Because if you like the things that I'm saying, then of course you're gonna buy the VIP. No, I'm just joking. No, bro, it's a free space, man. Free Mawana, right? So you also get a free information here. So it's just Twitch. I'm going live anyway, and I'm streaming anyway. So if you want to participate here, you can just take it. Copy trading is also free. The only thing that costs money is the VIP and the bootcamp and the academy. That's the only thing that costs money. And the VIP is simply because people who are invested into trading and want to learn trading, they can sit with me live on Zoom and learn from me, and then they can really invest themselves and learn, right? If they want the bootcamp and want to take it to the next step where they get material from me recorded and also live with me, and I can tell them everything that I've learned for the past 14 years or so. Like, that's what Mike is doing right now. That's what some Australian guys are doing now right now. That's what Caitlin is doing right now, right? So they're in the boot camp, right? And we have boot camp like January, February, March. And then we have the academy, of course, if you want to have more sessions than just me. Because some people are not happy with just, you know, a few signals from me. Some people are very happy. For example, we caught 1,000 pips in the VIP the other day. Mike, it was 1,000 pips, right? Plus, let me just show you real quick, guys. So this is the VIP for 2026. You can see here we just hit 400 pips here, and we go up here, and we got 100 pips here, and then what was this, 100 pips here, TB4 here, 1,790 pips. Okay, here we were buying from 21 to 4,321 to 4,317, and then we came up to 50, 95, 4,437, 4,500. Price came up to 4,500, TB4. That's 1,160 pips, for example. That's for the VIP, right? You won't get that normally if you're just following a scammer, or you're just, you know, going to somebody who knows nothing about trading. But the academy is that if you're not happy and satisfied with those few trades that I take, because I have a limited time. I have family, I have my wife, I have my friends, so I'm only going live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the same thing for VIP. So if you're not satisfied about that, I can give you 20+ educators on my academy. Okay, so that's the only thing that costs money: VIP, bootcamp, and academy. And it's up to you what you want. You can also get copy trading for free if you want that. That's me trading for you, just trading on behalf of your account. I'm trading on my own account. Everything that I do is being copied to your account. So let's say you have $1,000 and I trade $1,000 and we make $1,000. Well, you're gonna get 60.5% and I'm gonna get 39.5%. So that's just profit split. Okay, you don't need to give me any money or anything like that. It's happened 100% automatically. You don't have to do shit. I do stop losses, TP, everything, right? So yeah, it's if you are interested in that, reach out to my team. Work-life balance. How are you doing it when you're working? Is it worth it? I don't work, bro. I do trading full time. When you don't see me live here, and when I work, I'm doing trading for my wife and my family. That's it. That's it. Like, I trade full time. I have no work. I have no work, guys. I haven't been working since I was 18 years old. I like you. Not every people, be honest. Yeah, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. Like, I'm just here, you know, providing my information. And then if people want to take it to the next step, they can. If they want free stuff, they can. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna trade either way, whether you're with me or against me. Doesn't matter. Like, I love you guys, no matter what. But I gotta be honest. Like, I'm here anyway, you know. Yo, Vlad.
Vlad KKXXIIXMMI subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Hey, thank you so much for the prime sub, Vlad. Thank you so much, man. Nice to see you on live stream, and thanks for joining the Obits fam. Welcome, welcome. So for Kronar, no, is VIP worth it when you have school? Okay, so VIP is my signals, right? My signals. That means no copy trading, right? Copy trading is free, right? My signals, and then Zoom meeting with VIPs, and then counseling, right? Or like, you know, education. You know, if you want to come to me and you have questions, like I can look at your charts, or if you have questions for me, Q&A, stuff like that. That's what VIP is. It's not something magical. It's just me sending you signals. You copy those signals if you can actually do that with your school or with your work or anything. But some people are too busy for this. Some people cannot do this because they don't have the time. So what they instead are doing is that either they're going to buy the boot camp so they can look at the material whenever they want, or they're joining the academy so they can trade, you know, whenever they want during the day, because we have Training Plus educators, or they're simply just doing the cover trading where I'm trading everything for you because, you know, life comes in, right? You're busy, you have, you know, husband, wife, you have family, right? Some people, they don't have time for anything, right? So I do the cover trading. So if you want questions, if you want to ask my team about this, reach out to my team, guys. Wow, I just see my sub is gone. Oh, fam, it's been a month. But thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you so much for the subscriptions. Thank you so much for the follows, even the like on Facebook, whatever it is. Thank you so much, guys. So we are currently waiting here. Now we got a 15-minute fair value gap right there. If you want a second trade, guys, we're just waiting for this 15-minute fair value gap to be tapped, or we need a closure above 50. Okay, that's what we need for now. This hourly is very strong. It's pushing heavily towards the upside. Very, very nice. How much is VIP? VIP is $149 per month, or for 6 months, $299. Depends on what you want, right? We had a Christmas offer. We had a Cyber Monday offer. We had like a New Year's offer, but all that is gone now. We're in January. There's no more offers, guys. So if you want for 6 months, $299. If you want per month, $149. You can try it for 1 month, see if you like it. If you like it, you can buy it for 6 months, for example. It's up to you. 52, guys. We are running more than 220 plus pips. Damn. Crazy. Guys, if you haven't already, please take some partial here. Crazy. Crazy. A lot of pips here. 220 plus pips. And we still haven't gotten any kind of correction move. 15-minute looks so bullish now, but I need a 15-minute tap into this fair value gap. Did it retest? Not yet. No, not yet. We only retested this 5-minute here, but I need the 15-minute to be tapped here before I can you know, take a trade here. But what we can do is we can wait for this 5 to close. If it closes with a fair value gap, then what we can do is we can take a buy above 50 with a tight stop loss just below here, and then take it up to 60, for example. That's what we can do. But before we tap into that 15-minute fair value gap, I cannot just take a buy. Where can I buy the VIP? Just reach out to my team. Oh yeah, you're on YouTube, bro. I need to text you on YouTube. Wait, give me a sec. Oh, that's the thing. I need to have some commands on YouTube as well. Fokker, I'm gonna come onto YouTube now. Give me a sec, bro. I need to. Here we go. Okay, I will type the here. Okay, elite. Go join. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna take my handle, put it there, and then I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna take this one, change this, and then put this one and this one. Boom, right there. Send it and put it on YouTube. Here you go, bro. Can you see it? Can you see it on YouTube? Faulkner. I'm gonna fix it, man. I'm gonna make a I'm gonna make
Get
a
shit
comment.
on, brother.
Do. Okay, we hit 52. Now we are showing some kind of resistance here. Samuel, thank you so much for the follow. We are currently waiting for a second trade. We already took a first trade down from here. We are risk free. We move stop loss to above entry for risk free trade. We hit TB1, we hit TB2. We almost hit TB3. We are currently waiting for this 15-minute fair value gap to be tapped into. Once it taps into, we can take a trade from here. Yes, I can see it. Do I need Telegram? Yes, you do need Telegram. I'm sorry, man. Everything, all the VIP is on Telegram. It used to be on Discord, but the problem is I cannot see who people are. I cannot track them. I cannot see the tag because they can change their tag no matter what. And it's so on Telegram I have the full control. Olivia, hello. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Nice to see you on live stream. Olivia, we are in a buy here. We took a buy from 29. We are running more than 220 plus pips. We're waiting for a second trade here. So it's going to be interesting to see if we can get a second trade. 15-minute fair gap is just here, guys. Let's see if we can tap into it. We also got an EMA right here. So if we can come down here, tap 39 or 43, something like that, then we have a much more better layer 2 here, or trade 2 that we can hold on to. So yeah, the trade 2 will come, guys. Just patience is key. I know it takes a lot of time, but it is what it is when price is just moving like this. Let's see. Are you Danish? Yes, I'm Danish. How's it going, Duel? Yeah, he might not be clear when you should trade, but he's good. Who we talking about? I'm not clear or what? They threw me out and said I can rejoin once I gain my deposit back. Huh? What are you talking about, man? That sounds like some Callisto bullshit. I'm not doing that. Callisto. Oh, okay. You guys keep talking about that guy, man. Okay, guys, we are coming down. We're coming down to the 15-minute fair gap. Once we tap into it, I'm looking for a 1-minute candle to push up from there. Yeah, but just be careful, Kimmy, because when you type something like that and the others haven't seen the context, maybe they think it's me or somebody else, you know, it's not nice. Just be careful, guys, when you type something like that, that this person is a scammer or this person is not good or something, because people can misinterpret it and see it like, oh, so this guy I'm looking at right now, he's a scammer or something like that. It's not good. Be careful with that. I know what you mean, but... Okay, guys. I'm simply waiting for 50 here to become bullish. We haven't touched into the 15-minute fair gap, so if we come up here, we'll have a buy stop, okay? And then stop losses just be in the 15-minute fair gap, because if we don't come down to the 15-minute fair gap, then our buy stop should be above here, okay? So buy stop is going to be 54.5, okay? So buy stop will be 54.5. Remember, guys, tight stop loss just below this here. It's only if we are gonna move up from here, but if we don't move up and we come down to the fair gap, it's better for us. Okay, let's see here. Get it. This one is gonna be 63 like the TP1 for the other one, and then we're gonna have 85. We're gonna have 4,505, and we got 4,528, and we got 4,560. Okay. This will be for trade 2. If we come up there. I'm not sure we're gonna come up there yet. I think we're gonna touch the 15-minute fair gap first, unless this is gonna break out now. Okay, guys, have your buy stop ready. There we go. We're in. We're in. All right. We're in here, guys. We're in. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We just got spiked in here. I did put it above here, though. I did put it above. Let's see how it goes. We have our second layer here if it comes down there, right? But let's see. Let's see how it goes. Oh shit. This one is here. The 15-minute is pushing up here. 5-minute is pushing up. Go. At least this time we didn't get spiked totally up with slipperage. Let's see here. I'm gonna add this one. Let's see what happens. This is trade 2, guys. This is trade 2. Trade 3 would only happen if we come down to the 50-minute fair value gap or if we come up above 60, okay? Okay, wait. Okay. Let's see. Should hold this level here, guys. Don't hold the level. We should have tight stop loss. Maybe I put it a little bit too low down. Maybe I should have put it at like 56, something like that. But I think we're gonna hold the level regardless. There's a 5-minute good structure being built here. Let's see. Just have to close above this one. Push up from there. Now you got a good bottom wick there as well. Okay. All right, guys, we are running here 0.1 pip. Okay, if you didn't join the first trade, guys, now it's your time. We are in the second trade. We're in the second trade. We are moving. Yes, we are moving, definitely. Can you guys hear the music still? Can you guys still hear the music? This was trade 1, okay? Trade 1. And this is trade 2. Okay. I'm gonna make this smaller because this one is pretty much done. Oh, okay, that's too small. Then you can't see anything. There we go. There we go. Okay, and this is the second trade. All right. Gotta come up there. Just hold this level. 5 minutes pushing. Let's see if we can hit 60, guys. If we can hit 63, that will be TP3 for this one. And that will be TP1 for this one, okay? You see at this 5 minute here? Slowly pushing up here towards 60. And then we have 66 here, okay? This is going to be the high level. If you can push up there. We're holding good above 50 now. I don't think we should come down before 70 or 75. Maybe we'll have a retest in the 15-minute fair value gap, something like that. But 15 minutes closing bullish. There we go. Bullish just closed. Let's see. Now, here's the question. Are we going to retest that 15-minute fair value gap or are we going to push it up here? Hopefully, because the 5 minute is creating structure above. There should be clean range to come up here to 62, 64. Let's go. No music. No music? Really? What? Real? There's no music? I hear music. Oh, but what kind of music is this, though? Okay. Let me just check here. Find some... what about this one? What about now? It's epidemic music, guys. Epidemic sound. I can't do Spotify because I'm getting copyrighted constantly. It's so annoying. I have to deal with all these copyright strikes. 80s pop. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's see here. Do you get fines for that? No. So basically, like every time I get a copyright strike from Spotify or something like that, I can't do monetization, or I can't put ads on or something like that. So it's like, why like post the content on YouTube if I can't, you know, post it anyway, because it's gonna get taken down because of copyright strike, right? So it's like, I mean, I don't really use it on Twitch, but on YouTube it would just be nice to have a video that, you know, YouTube also will push because there's ads on, you know. YouTube have this like kind of terms of service where they're like, if there's no copyright strike on your video, they will push it more out to people, right? So nobody sees my videos on YouTube because it's always getting copyright strike. So when I make a clip from here on Twitch, it should be non-copyright music, right? And the only way I can do that is by using epidemic music. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit 4,500 tomorrow or later today. Gotta see.
They just want to see you do the power. If you wanna dance, you can
Damn. What?
I just want to see you do the power. Give me your power.
FemBPs has been subscribed for 2 months in a row.
Thank you so much, Fem, for subscription 2 months in a row. But I don't understand. I thought you said you're struggling right now. You should not spend your money on me, man. Go spend your money on your kids, bro. Like, this is really serious, man. Thank you so much. But keep your money, man, because you should take care of your kids. I know your situation, bro. Like, why would you do that? Top batch is back, baby. Yeah, but thank you, bro. Thank you, but be careful, right? Be careful, man. Worth every penny. I don't have kids or anyone. This 45 EU I could always miss for you. Okay. All right. Love this, my friend. Thanks for all the lessons and live stream. I have a buy from 4,411. Nice, bro. I also have buys from 18, from 22, from 25, and now here from 29 and from 54. So yeah, I'm just layering, man. I'm just layering. But nice entry, bro. Nice entry. I'm gonna download Telegram, then buying the VIP next few days. Great, bro. You got fans, love it for you, bits. 4,411. That's near the day low. Yeah, but I was sleeping, bro. I like. This was look at this. Here, we went down here at 15, at 650, right? And then we reached 20, and we reached 23. So this was consolidation for me, right? So I just went to bed, and then we came down at 7. Like, when I woke up. So I couldn't take this, man. The earliest I could get was the 18 level and the 22 level. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. You got fans. Remember this, guys. Always remember this. Always stay humble, okay? Every time you say like you got fans or you're famous or you have like people watching you or something like, just remember this.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only love.
Okay, just always remember that. Stay humble. Stay humble, kids. Okay? Stay humble. Okay, guys, let's see if we can break this 55 here. It seems like we are getting in for some consolidation here. But the 15 looks quite strong, and we got a good bottom wick here. So let's see if the 5 and the 3 minute can flip. It's creating structure to the upside here, and maybe more and more and more. And then at some point, we will have that 15-minute bottom wick. But hopefully, we can get a few more pushes to the upside. This hourly also looks quite strong. Yeah, it went up to 56. I guess 50 is now becoming the new support. Maybe we'll have like a bottom wick at 47, 48, something like that. But yeah, hopefully we're gonna hold the 15-minute Fabry gap for now. That's where my original entry would be. Let's see what happens. You're cool, Regula. Thanks, man. Or woman. Guys, reach out to the team, join the Discord, join the Telegram, and guys, please join the Discord as well. Like, get some hype in the Discord, okay, guys? If everybody who's watching right now goes into the Discord now, verify yourself, and go into the Future Orbits chat and just post something. Just send a message or something, so we know that there is activity there, because I'm really horrible at doing content. I'm really horrible at staying active on social media and stuff like that. The only thing I have consistent going for me is the live streams, right? Go on live stream for VIP, and I have live streams for Twitch. I never wanted to be, you know, a person who's gonna be like tick with everything, you know. So I need order in my life, right? I need to be more structured. So it means a lot if you guys can, you know, stay active on Discord, or like make some hype in there. I will try to be more active, but it's really difficult when there's nobody typing or texting or anything, right? So yeah, if you want a community, you can join the Discord. Do you have live trading in VIP also? Yes, of course, Beston. We went live before this. We took the buy. You can ask the VIPs. We took the buys here at the 24, and we took the buy at 31. In VIP. Oh, yep. Look at the Discord. Let's see. Here, guys. I'm putting the everyone here so everybody can see it. Check it. Boom. Oh, I misspelled that. Which... There you go. Bro, are you doing like live academy and training like you did before in the academy with Wolfie when you did travel to us in Oslo? So the academy is a little bit like economy, yeah, but I'm just affiliated. So this will be if you are not happy and satisfied with you know, my VIP sessions, because I'm only live on VIP sessions Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I send signal Monday to Friday. So if you're like, oh, this is not enough for me, I need more signals, then you can join the academy, right? But if you really want to learn from me, then you should join the bootcamp, because that's like 6 hours or 8 hours of material that I sent to you, either on material, like on, you know, to you on Telegram, or I'm gonna do it live. It depends on if you want the live bootcamp or if you want the material bootcamp. Some people, they choose to buy the material one because they don't have time to sit 8 hours live stream. And some people, they choose to go live with me and do it. So on the academy, I'm not there. I'm not there. I was supposed to go there and be be a teacher, be an educator, but I just don't have the time. I just don't have the time. I really want to do it, but I don't have the time, man. And they're gonna pay, you know, they're gonna pay 1,500 or 2,500 USD per month, and I make that from a trade, right? So it just doesn't really make sense for me. So it should be to help the students, but I just have too much with my VIP, with my bootcamp, with my copy trading and everything. It's just too much, you know? It's just too much. I think you would get a lot more community in Discord if you did your lives in Discord. My lives in Discord? How am I gonna be live on Twitch and Discord at the same time? How much does the bootcamp, Telegram and VIP cost? Hey Jakes, how you doing, man? Telegram is free. Discord is free. But the bootcamp and the VIP the VIP is not expensive, but the bootcamp is expensive. The VIP is $149 per month, or for 6 months, $299, right? We had a Christmas offer, we had like a New Year's offer, we had the Cyber Monday and all that, but that's done. We're in January now, so there's no more offers. It's just 6 months for $299 or $149 per month, right? So you can try for 1 month for $149, see if you like it, and then you can purchase the 6 months, or you can just purchase the 6 months right away. That's for VIP. For the bootcamp, it's very expensive, and I can't really put these numbers here because people will go crazy. So yeah, reach out to my team for that. Reach out to my team for that. I will send the team link. I'll send the team link. Where am I? I'm still live on YouTube, huh? Right? Yes, I'm still here. Here. Gonna put it again. Reach out to my team. Guys, we're pushing here. We're pushing here. We came down to 47, as we just talked about. 48, 47. Now we're pushing, holding above 50. Should come up here. Pretty nice. Let's see if we can hit some of those TPs. So guys, basically, Telegram, Twitch, Discord, free, okay? Free, okay? VIP, Academy, and Bootcamp is paid, okay? So that's it, that's it, that's it. And of course, copy trading is also free. Let me show you right now. So let me show you here. So this is Magnus's account. You can see here. He started with 1,000 cents. Now he's at 25,000 cents. You can see here. And this is copy trading for today. Magnus started at 1,000 cents and he's on 20,000 cents now. So he has made about $250. And for some person who starts with 1,000 cents, that's a lot. That's like 200%, 250%. Yeah, 250%. So it's pretty good. Pretty good. So if you want copy trading and you want cents, it's going to go slow. But if you want USD, it's going to be, you know, I have to put more deposit. But deposit is not for me. I'm not gonna, guys, just for you to know, I know you have seen a lot of online promotion of copy trading and stuff, and they say like, oh, you know, you're gonna put $500 or $1,000 or $2,000, and then they're gonna take a cut, you know, the IB, you know, the performance fee, all these things, right? But I'm not gonna take any money of your deposit. Your deposit is your money. The only thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do profit split. What is profit split? The profit split is, oh, you can't see this. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Sorry. My camera is blocking everything. Here. So this was the free stuff. This is free. This is free. And this is cost money, right? So we do profit split, okay? You get 60.5%. And I do get 39.5%, okay? So you get 60.5% of your money that I make a profit, right? So if I make a profit of $100, you're going to get 60.5 of that, and I'm gonna get $39.5. Okay, so that's the profit split. I'm not gonna take any money from your deposit or anything like that. I'm not gonna touch your money. Your money is your money. Okay, so only if I make profit. If I don't make profit, I don't get anything. So that's for copy trading. Okay. Anyone else saw that? I heard rumors about silver ETF or something are going to dump tonight or tomorrow. Could be good to be cautious over long trades. You think silver is gonna dump? Could be. Could be. I'm still looking for Torp. I'm still looking for these levels here. I have my EMA here set to 62 and I have it here at 55. I could see price come back down to the previous all-time high right here. If it can come down and touch 55 or 56 or somewhere around 58 to 60, I would be tempted to take buys here in silver, right? I'm not gonna buy silver before it comes down there. It's not worth it to buy it up here. This could be your all-time high and then it could just dump, right? So yeah. Okay, guys, we're moving. We're moving. Anybody still in the trade with me? Anybody still in the trade with me, guys? So trade 1 is running more than 240 plus pips. Trade 2 is now starting to get into profit. There you go. I was sad a couple of minutes ago. What are you sad about, bro? Come into the mindset channel on Discord. We have a mindset channel on Discord here. Let me show you. Here. Come in here. Mindset, videos, quotes. Here. I'm here for you. Okay, there you go. Mindset quotes, mindset videos. Come in here if you're a sad man. You can talk about your emotions and your feelings, your ups and downs, and everybody is here to support you, okay? Let's go. I think we need some DJ action. Let's go.
Order filled.
Yep. How much is the copy trading on? Yes. So if you want a cents account, you just need $10. That's it. If you want a USD account, it's $1,000. The reason why it's $1,000 is not because I'm going to take anything from your $1,000. That's your money. The reason why it's $1,000 is because I need to make sure that you're safe. When you take a trade on a cents account, I have a lot of room to survive and to make layers and to triple, double, quadruple your account because $10 equal 1,000 cents. Okay, so that's why it's minimum $10 on cents account. So I have a lot of room to survive with this account. But if I do 0.01 on a $100 account, I just need to lose 10 trades and then boom, the $100 is gone, right? So that's why we do $1,000 because we from experience have seen that $100, $300, $500 is not enough. $500 could be enough, but in very volatile situations, $1,000 is just better. So if you don't have that kind of funds, $1,000, you can just do a cents account, $10. That's it. Okay. So let's see what happens. We came up to 57 this time here. And the 30-minute just closed bullish. Really, really nice. Now you see you got this 30-minute fair value gap here. And now you're going to create a bottom wick on the hourly. It's going to be interesting, guys, to see if we're going to get that bottom wick in that 50-minute fair value gap. Or if we're just going to touch the 30-minute and then we're going to flip up from there. I think we need to trail our stop loss a little bit if that happens. But for now, we're still holding here. Still holding. We got this order block right there. Let's see. See what happens. 57, 58 is also right here, this order block. So it could come a little bit down. But it's okay, guys, because you know once we tap into the 30-minute or 50-minute, we're going to have a bounce. So the question is just how steep is this top wick going to be on the hourly, right? The hourly pushed from 32 above 53. So now you just need a bottom wick here and then you can fly from there. We need an orbit stance. If we fly to 60, 70, something like that, I'm going to do the dance. Don't worry. in TradingView, if you double click on the price bar, it auto sizes the candles for you. What candles? What candle? I'm switching. I'm switching the what is it called? I'm switching the time frame all the time, bro. So it's gonna be really difficult for it to keep up, I guess. This was nice. I like it. How do I start with the Sense account? Also with your team, with the link you sent? Yes, everything is with the team. I will send it one more time. Send it here. Tell me if it comes over to YouTube as well when I send it here. I got triggered. The candles in the screen. Wait, which time frame? You mean if I double click here? Oh, then I have to... No. Let's see, guys. Our first trade is running. We are a little bit in drawdown here on the second trade. We got a third trade if you come down in the family gap. Could easily see this flip up still. Yes,
Just
YouTube.
shit on,
Nice.
brother.
Hey, Ryder. Nice to see you live stream. Hope you're doing well. We are currently in a second trade. You just made it here to get in. If you haven't gotten in yet, probably you haven't because you just followed me.
Just shit on, brother.
Oh, we were in a first trade here from 29. We trail our stop loss to above entry for research trade. We hit TB1, TB2. We're looking for TB3. And we're in the second trade now. So you can still join here, bro. You can still join if you want to. We end at 54.5. So you would get in with a little bit better risk to reward. Telegram link, yes, of course. There you go. Discord, there you go. Fem, also what you can do when you're here, you can send the Discord and Telegram link sometimes. Also the team link and stuff like that. How much partials do you take, or you open multiple trades and set different TPs? Yes. So first of all, I would always encourage people to open 2 or 3 positions, because with one position, if you take 0.01, you can do partials. If you do 0.01, you cannot do any partials. Oh my god, I'm doing it again. Let me just delete this for a second, guys. When you take 0.01, you cannot do partials. You need at least 0.02. But the problem is, if you have 0.02, you take partial of 0.02, then you only have 0.01, which means your trade is basically done. So what I do for small accounts is I take 0.02 and 0.01. So once I hit my target, I'm closing this. And then when I hit my next target, I can close partial of this. If that's all I have for a $100 or $300 or $500 account, right? But if I have more than $1,000, what I can do, I can open 0.03 and I can open 0.02. So I have 0.05 instead, right? So my risk management is like this. For every $100 on a normal default account with 500 to 1 leverage, 0.01 equals $100. That means that's the max you can open. So 0.02 is $200. 0.03 is $300. So 0.05 equals $500, etc., right? That means if you have only $300 in your account, your maximum you can open is 0.03 with proper risk management. If you do more than this, you are risking your account. That means you can either do a 0.03 or you can do a 0.01 plus a 0.02. Like that. If you do this, you can close partial of this. You cannot close partial of this. If you do this, you can close partial twice, but you only have one position. So it all depends on how you want to run your risk management. But just make sure that you're always like staying consistent with what you're doing. So for $1,000, you can open a 0.1. Okay. Etc. So one lot is going to be $10,000, etc. So if I have $10,000 on my account, I would never ever go above one lot. And if I do one lot, I'll be max I do. But I would rather do 0.05 times 2 or do 0.05 like times 10 or like, you know, do 0.03 times 3 and then add 0.1 rather than do one lot, because one lot is going to take so much of your margin, so that you much easier are going to be stopped out on your account, and your broker is probably going to stop you, right? So it's much better to always divide it,
Get shit on, brother.
always put it up into bits. Okay. So with 100k account, what do you recommend? From firm, of course. With 100k account, you could do one lot consistently, right? Because you have a lot of money. But the problem is, now you have a prop firm rule that you have to follow. Francis, thank you for the like on the stream. So that means you have to follow the 5% or the 10% rule. So if you lose 5% in a day, your account is gone. If you lose 10% in total, your account is gone. So you can't really do one lot unless you do scalping, right? If you do scalping and you do, like, let's say 40 pips, or you do 20 pips, yeah, then you can do one lot because you have 100k. But if you're not doing scalping, you can't do one lot because you are easily gonna lose this, right? So I would go down to 0.1 on a 100k account. Take maybe, I don't know, 50 to 100 pips. Keep it safe. Maybe close full or close partial. Something like that. Makes sense. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Greetings there. Hello, Litz. Hope you're doing well. So guys, we're in 2 trades. We're in 2 trades at the moment. First trade is running very nicely in 220 pips profit. I think it's more, but I'm not paying so much attention to that. I'm more paying attention to educate you guys. So yeah, this is the second trade. We're in here. We're a little bit in drawdown right now. We are waiting to see here if this 30 minutes is going to create a bottom wick or if it's going to come down into the family gap. We got a stop loss just below the MA. We're gonna see. Does it make sense, Abu? How much partial do you take? I had to answer that one. I didn't answer that properly. So my partials would probably be 20% on TB1 and then 50% on TB2. Then I would have closed 70% and then I will close another 10% on TB3 and then leave 10% for TB4 or TB5. But yeah, I don't close a lot on TB1 because usually I'm going for TB2 or TB3, and if my trade goes really well, it can go to TB4 as you saw on VIP the other day, or it can go to TB5. Okay guys, we're approaching the 30-minute value gap here. The 1 hour is creating a bottom wick. So let's see how far down we're gonna come down. If we're gonna hit the stop loss here, you still have the first trade running here. Don't think it will, unless it wants to come really far down in the 30-minute value gap. We got our EMAs here holding up, so should be still nice. 48, 47, something like that. Let's see. This is your value gap right there. That's why we have a stop loss down here. So in case if it comes down into the value gap and it goes all the way, you know, you're not going to have your stop loss down here. You're going to only have it here. So if it comes down, fill the value gap, go to 39. Then it is, as we said before, this is your high. You're coming up to you're coming down to retest that high, and then you can take the trade up from there, right? Still moving always the same. Yeah, coming down to the 30-minute value gap as well here. Both of them actually, yeah. Okay, still in. Still in. Now we get a green candle. 50-minute came down. I'll be right back, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Let me just check here real quick. Let me just check here. Okay, guys, we're still waiting here. The 30-minute looks like it's created a good bottom wick here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna take this one down now here. So it's not gonna be so annoying for you guys. So this was the previous trade. This is the new trade. This one is currently running there. Trade 2 currently in. Okay. You closed trade 2? No, right. I didn't close trade 2. We haven't hit stop loss. Currently we're pushing up here. And we're above 50 again, guys. Look at that. See if we can hold above it. What do you think about Victor Candle? Victor Candle, what is that, my friend? Tell me. I'm switching to my phone again, going to drive home from work. Okay, see you, fam. Thank you for all your help with the Twitch stream. I'll still be here listening, just not as quick while riding. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, anybody? Yes, it came through. Jake, did you text my team? Did you text my team? I'm sorry I can't answer you right now because I'm live, but my team will take good care of you. Don't worry. Just tell them that you asked for the bootcamp. I got triggered in, Cozy. What did you get triggered in with? Okay, look at that, guys. We're pushing again here. Still holding strong. Still holding strong. I mean, 1 hour candle without wick. I mean, it's a wick candle, or you mean without a wick? Wick. We got a wick on the 30-minute here. We got a wick on the 1 hour. So if this is the 1 hour flip, then you should come push up with the volume very soon. Now you're creating an order block here, which is above our stop loss, which is very nice. So if price comes down later, we're not going to hit the stop loss. Was there a retest at the fair value gap? Yes, the 30-minute came down, but we are already in a trade here, so I can't really take it. It's too close to the previous trade. I'm just taking this to 60 and 70, guys. We only took 2 trades. It's like the Twitch stream yesterday as well. And the day before that. We only taken 1 or 2 trades now. Before Christmas, before New Year's Eve, we took 4 or 5 trades because the market was just easy. The market was just really nice. But all this choppiness, all this back and forward and like stop loss hunting, it makes it difficult, you know?
Get shit on, brother.
Forest Eel, thank you so much for the follow. Nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're above 50 again, guys. Above 50 again. Do you like this setup for now? Hello everyone, I'm new here and recently made my first trades and I'm in profit. Let's go for it, Earl. I like this setup here, yeah. This setup was amazing. We hit 220 props. This one is still like waiting for confirmation to see if this was a good setup or not. Currently we have a top wick here, but we also have a bottom wick here, so just consolidating, really building structure. So if the 5-minute keeps making this kind of structure, then we should go up. It's like a pit stop, right? It's like you're just fueling more. See, this is what we made here and what we made here eventually went up and went even further up here. Could be the same thing. You make something here, make something here, come a little bit back, and then you continue up. Like, I like it until we come up to 66, 68, and then it's all about can we break 66 or 68. But then we already hit TP1 on 63, so I'm good with this. On Twitch, I'm experiencing delay, lag, and ads, and on YouTube it's even worse. That's why I sometimes jump in too late, which is a shame, or wait until another opportunity. Forest Earl, I'm sorry, man. With Discord, you can share your live screen. So I prefer that, so I can start a trade with you right away or take partial at the right time. Yeah, but the problem is on Discord, I would have a lot of people sitting in the call, and then they would talk at the same time, and they would, like, you know, interrupting and stuff like that. We are above 4,450, and we refueled the at 30-minute family gap, so I'm good too. Yeah, it looks pretty good. We just need structure. Okay. I know someone who says sell from 54. Is that just something he says, or I don't know, bro. It depends on his setup. I'm in a buy. We're in a buy from here. We're in a buy from here. Currently a little bit in drawdown here. We're building a upward trend here. You already tapped into the family gap here in the 30-minute. So I'm seeing buys, but if he's in sells, he's probably selling from this order block here, or I don't know what strategy or setup he's using, man. It depends. Every single trader has the individual path. They have the individual trading strategy. I use my own trading strategy, and for me, I see buys. I see buys all the way up to 66 or 70. And then maybe we can retest 50. And from there, maybe take some liquidity at 30 or 39. Something like that. But I think eventually we're going to hit 4,500. So we'll see. In copy trading, can I adapt the lot size you take example from 0.01 to 0.1? No, you cannot do that, bro. If you do that on your own, you are gonna... If you blow your account, it's not on me. It's on you. Because I adjust the lot size to what makes sense with your account. And if you change it, then... Yeah, it's... And you're fucked. I love your trading strategy. Thank you, man. 4 hour and 1 hour MACD shows buys. Well, that just gives you more confirmation. So it's like a stage on Discord and audience. Yeah. But it's not gonna give you like this, you know? I don't have my future orbits like circle. I don't have my, you know, all my text here and all my buys and all these things and like that. And we don't have like, oh, a new person followed or a new this and that. And, you know, it's like, it's not fun. You know, I don't like the Discord thing. It's, which works great for me. Thank you, Grown Passion. Appreciate that. www. Okay, thank you. I'm Bruno that started cover trading today. Oh, cool, bro. Cool. I think I have I set your... Yeah, you sent it to me, but I haven't set it up yet. I'm sorry. Because I'm still live and I went from VIP stream to this, so you will be activated at the end of the day. Don't worry, I will not forget you. Yeah, you do what works for you. That's what I'm always trying to do, man. Appreciate it. So, Dual, are you in a cell from 54 or what? Okay, thanks for the answer. No, I've been joining Discord and Telegram. And I can see and what I know is that I'm writing to you and you're sending... What? Oh, you can text me on Instagram and you can text me on Discord as well, yeah. But if you want actual like education from me, you have to join VIP or you have to join the bootcamp or the academy. Like, I cannot just text to every single person who texts me and be like, yo, this is my trade. Can you look at it for me? Because, like, I don't have time for that, bro. I have family. I have my friends. I have live streams. I have copy trading. Too much. But yeah, you can join the Discord. You can join the Telegram. In Discord, we also have a room where people can put their own trading setups. So for example, guys, if you go to the Telegram, here, sorry, not the Telegram, Discord, and you go into here, trades chat, member trades. Here you can just post your own trade, like this, right? Okay, I took this trade, boom, or you can say I'm going into this trade now, or whatever. Like, it's up to you. Just as long as you make sure that you're saying that it's not a signal, because you are not future orbits. It's just your own trades, and then people can be like, oh, I like this trading setup, you know, I will take it as well. But it has nothing to do with, you know, future orbits. It's just that you can put your own trading strategy or your own trades there. Your own analysis. Not your own trades, your own analysis. Your analysis, you can put it. Make it active together. Yeah, it'll be great. Okay, guys, we're starting to run a little bit into profit here. 0.1 pip here. Oh, but now it's down again. It's almost there. It's almost flying. Almost flying, guys. 30 minutes is closed. Let's see. Okay, can we move? If we can move. A 30-minute closed doji. That's a good indication. I think this is gonna fly. Because usually when something closes doji, it's because there's a lot of people trying to go the opposite direction. And then that will just be used as a platform to fly. You know? For example, here. You see this? We closed doji here. What happened then? Oh, sorry. I cannot. Here. There you go. We closed doji here. What happened then? We flew. Right? And down here we kind of closed doji and then we flew again. Like, I like when price closes doji when I'm already in a trade, because I know that, okay, there's a lot of people who tries to go against me, but they can't. They can't win. They lose the war. Let's see this fly, guys. Come on, baby. There we go. Running 20 pips here. Let's go. Okay, guys. Running 20 pips. Finally. Let's get it up to 67, 65. TP1 is going to be 63, okay? Here we go.
Order filled.
We just need a big push now. We just need a big push. Show that 60 is our bitch, okay? We do not like we are not gonna, what is it called? When I lose the words, I hate it. We're not gonna surrender. We're not gonna surrender for the 60s, guys. We are making 60 our bitch, okay? 60 is gonna be our bitch, and then we're going for 69. Come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're moving 50 plus pips here. Let's see here if we can come up and tap this top wick here at 66. I would like to see a 5-minute big candle to the upside, leaving a fair value gap, pushing more up. Okay, but we're entering the order block here now, so we gotta be careful. Okay, guys, we got 60 plus pips here, guys. Please trail your stop loss to just above entry for a risk-free trade. There you go, right there, baby. Everybody good? Everybody good? Yes. Risk-free. Stop loss at BE. Boom. If you entered at 54.5, your new stop loss should be 55. Okay. Let's see if we can hit TB1. TB1 is right here, 63. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, push it. Push it. You can do it. You can do it. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. A little bit push. A little push. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. You can do it. I believe. And now the music is good, guys. Do you hear that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, no, no. No open stance before we hit 70, bro. If we hit 70 on this live stream, I'm gonna do the dance, okay? If we break this level, if we break this high here, and we go to 70, I'm gonna do the dance. This is just TP1, bro. We only hit, like, what do we hit? We hit 2 TPs? Like, come on. It's only, what is it? 39, 49, 59, 300 pips. Nothing. We need at least 400 pips in order for me to do the dance, right? 300 plus pips, guys. Take some partial from the first trade here, right there, baby. If you were in with me from 29, you're running 100 plus pips, 200 plus pips, 300 plus pips. There you go. We did not hit TP1. We were so close, we came up to 62. So, take some partial here, guys. Take some partial here if you haven't done already at 60. Okay. It's still 40 plus pips. We do not want to come down and hit BE. Let's see here. See if we can survive this. Gonna have a bottom wick. This is your high. Let's see if we can make 58 our new support. Okay, we're gonna delete this one. We're gonna delete this one. We're gonna delete this one. Okay, guys, please, your first trade, trail your stop loss to 33. 33, okay? 33, guys. So now you're risk-free with more than 40 pips. Now, if you enter at 29 or 30, you are risk-free with 30 pips. Okay? For this one. Oh, what am I doing? Not the buy now. Oh, I'm sorry. The stop loss. Damn. There we go. Boom. Here we go. Guys, we survived. We're up at 61. Come on. Let's go.
Get shit on, brother.
It's so big!
Oh my god. Look at that. Look at it, guys.
It's so big!
Oh, yes.
Where'd you get that body from?
I got it from my dad. I got it from my dad.
Let's go, guys. Come on. If we can flip this 5 minute here. Using our previous high here as a support to come up and close above 65. Then we have our TB1, baby. Come on, let's go. This is the high, guys. This is the high. If we can break through this, you're golden. You're going to 80, 90, 500. Okay? We just need to take out this level. This previous high here. You see that? This guy here. Come on, guys. Almost there. And can we get TB1? And TB1, guys. TB1 hit. Let's go. TB1 hit. Boom. And that means TB3 hit here. TB3 hit, guys. TB3 hit. If you were in a 29, you now have 39, 49, 59 plus an additional 30 pips. 330 plus pips. Okay. Boom. And for this one, we're now flying from our entry at 54 to 63. That is 70 plus pips. Boom. Right there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your profit. Now, this is up to price, okay? Price can now come down into the 30-minute fair value gap, jump around, create some resistance, create some support, or it can just come up, flip up here, close above. Like this. This is the best scenario for you, but don't be scared if price comes down here again in the 30-minute fair value gap to create more support, okay? We are overall bullish. We're going to 4,500. The question is just when it's going to happen, if it's going to happen today or if it's going to happen tomorrow, Friday. But either way, tomorrow is going to be very volatile. I'm not going to be live tomorrow. I'm only going to send signal for VIP tomorrow. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, guys, please join our Discord, join our Telegram, and also reach out to my team if you're interested in the bootcamp, the VIP, the academy, or whatever it is. Copy trading is 100% free. You can just let me trade for you. I'm trading on my own account. Everything that I do on my account will be covered to your account. If you're busy with family, friends, have husband, wife, and just work and is getting, life is getting, annoying, like in general, right? You don't have time to trade yourself. Well, I can do it for you. You get 60.5% of all the profit, and I get 39.5%. So only profit split, no deposits from me or anything like that. You do the deposit for your account, and I'm just gonna trade your account. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you on Tuesday or Monday. Let's see. Gonna have fun. Okay, guys, thank you. Take care. Have a good one. See you on Discord. See you on Telegram. Stay active, and remember, guys, don't do drugs. Okay, kids, don't do drugs. Okay, good.
Dance for me, oh, oh.
nobody do the things you do before.